Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this night vision effect for your next music video. Reddit. Starting off, I'm gonna go right here, go to bottom left, go to new and create our adjustment layer. It's gonna hold all of our effects right here that we're gonna add onto our clip. Starting off, I'm gonna add the glow effect. So I'm gonna add the glow under stylize, drag and glow. Put our radius right here up to 90. Then we're gonna close that out. Then for the next effect, I'm gonna add tint, drag and tint, go over here to map white. Then we're gonna change our color all the way to green. It's gonna give this nice green tint right here. Close out our tint menu. Then we're gonna add mosaic, and it's gonna help damage our clip a bit and just make it look like it came out of a actual old school camera that has a night vision effect. So for the horizontal blocks and the vertical blocks, I'm gonna put it at 360. Whoops, not 260, 360. And put it for both. Once after that, I'm gonna close out our mosaic menu, go over here, and then I'm gonna add noise. Go over here, go to noise and grain and put in noise. Turn off use color noise and put our amount all the way to 15. Close out our menu. Then for the next effect I'm gonna add is CC spotlight. I'm gonna turn this off, and you can already see how the effect is starting to come out. It gives a nice grainy night vision effect. Then for from and to, we're gonna put it right here in the middle of our axis, in the middle right here. Go to 2 and put it at the same way right here. And it's gonna make sure that our circle right here, it's gonna be all the way in the middle. Then we're gonna put our height all the way at 100. Then go to our cone angle and we're gonna put it at 38. Then we're gonna go right here to our edge softness and put it at 42. Or not 42, 47. Then go down to our intensity and we're gonna leave it at 75. Close that out. And it gives a nice fisheye effect. Well, not really a fisheye effect, but more of like a border right here. So apart from that, I'm gonna save our project so we don't lose this effect we just made. And yeah, that's how you create the simple night vision effect for your next music video or edit. Hope you guys learned something new today, or you just like the video overall. Like, leave a comment. That helps support me and it helps my videos reach other people who want to learn new effects. Keep on working hard and keep on staying creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.